Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kartick at the rate 7. So friends, today I am talking in this video that how come you can earn money just to remove background removal. So friends, background removal means if you client give you an image, you just need to do remove this background of this image and you can make money. Um, but but friends, I have a question that how we remove this background, but I gave two softwares in this video that you can remove the background within 10 to 20 seconds. And where you get service job, but I saw you three freelancing site that you can get more services and job out with background removal of the images and you can make money. So friends, let's say the first website is known as the 5square.com. This is one of the best freelancing website. You can earn money from this website as a euro. You can make money in your 5 euro, 10 euro, 20 euro and 15 euro. You will be amazed at what the people can do for this site. First, to define we need services of the background removal. So friends, search here the background removal. Can you can see the people do the jobs, various job by doing the background removal. They can charge 5 euro. You can see here I will do photo background removal and then charge is a 5 euro. And this person you can see is from Pakistan and I will do photo background removal. They can charge 5 euro. Removal means at the end of this lady you can see yours the background on pink and blue. You just need to remove these colors and edit this photo and give the another similar background and you may make money. You can see here at the end of this book, after this book there's a black background and then this white background. And with this removal background you make 5 euro. If you can do 10 or 20 background removal, you can make just 25 to 30 euro within minute. I show you how you can remove background and this take 10 to 20 second. Just removal of this background. You can see here there are so many job are available in this situation. All the people can do their job by background remove it. So is I will do the 10 images in background removal. You can charge 5 euro. You can see here I will do 100 image background removal and charge 20 euro. And this is an absolutely freelancing website. There is so many job available. You can go to this site and give their ad in this like of the people and make money from this site. So if you want another freelancing site, I can show you that is one of the best freelancing site is known as the fiverr.com. This is an absolutely amazing site. Yeah, there are so many people are come in this world and make money from this site. So friends, we need to background removal. You just click here and all the jobs are available in this site. You can see here I will do 20 to 250 photo background removal and can charge 392. And all the people are come here and remove the photo background, background of the images and make money. You can see here the yellow background, and after removal of the background, you can see as black and white spotted background and make 1175 rupees just doing this type of. I can show you how we can do or how we can remove this type of the background. So friends, you also take job background removal, so you can make 10 or 20 background removal per day and get paid 6,000, so 7,000 from 1 hours. You just need to give their ads in this type of situation, and the client come and click here. I can show you if I click these images, you can also give their address, and you can also premium basis type of packages available The basic silver packages you can charge 392. Standard packages you can charge 784. A 2-day delivery. Unlimited image you can give, and source file, high resolution commercial uses, and also premium you can charge also 1567. This is a diamond type. In this type we have 45 easy images and 30 model background removal. All this type of background removal available in this situation. You can he can deliver within 3 days, but I saw you on the website you can deliver to their client within just 1 hours, and 45 images with unlimited image and source file, highly resolution and commercial uses. So friends, you can go to this site and give this advice in this type of the and you can make money from this site. And if you click here the local seller, all the Indian peoples are making money by doing this type of background removal. So friends, if you want to earn money from online, you can do this type of the job. This is an easiest job and easiest opportunity to make money from online. So friends, I also show you the another website. There is also you can people per hours site. The people one of it is also one of the best freelancing website in the online market. If you click here to search background removal, you can see here this type of the job are available in this site. You can see here remove background 25 images with $10, and this is a professional remove background 35 images. You can charge her to $10. So friends, come into this site, three site you can make money just doing background remove. So first site is 5speed.com, and second site is a fiverr.com, and third site is known as the peopleperhour.com. These three freelancing website is the best freelancing website in the online market. So when how you do, how you remove this type of background. If you given this image, you can just upload image and click here and get this type of background removal image. So friends, let's see, the software is known as the removebg.com. This is one of the best background removal softwares. I think the 100% automatically and free softwares you can take is free. You can just need to register here and sign up here, and you can get enter into the site and do their job. First you need to upload your image. You need to upload your image, those images given in this site. So friends, you need to upload your image, and so I can say yes, this type, this is an image. I saw you, but the original image, this is an original image by given this client. You need to this you can see here this background is the behind this people, and you need to this removable background. You just upload your image and you click here remove background, and you can create images. This is an take only 10 5 or 10 second. Within 5 or 10 second you can make 100 within 100 to $200 just doing 100 and 200 images background remove. If you want to edit this image, you can also edit on high resolution and commercial fee, and you can then you can download, and then you can give your you can also download in HD, and you can give your client. So friends, this is an absolutely amazing website, removebg.com. You just need to upload your image. You just need to upload your image, and say another example I can see you. This is an a dog. You can see a dog pictures. You need to remove, you just click here remove background in this background. So this is a amazing softwares, and you want to edit in this image, all this available stores. And if you edit in this image, all the software, so all these are um, settings are available in this. You can change your colors, you can change erase or restores, and you can also change your background. You can edit in this photo, and then you can download in the HD quality, and you can give your client and make money from this site, from these three sites. And there are so many background removal job are available. You can go and do this type and make money from this site. So means I also show you the another website that you can also remove the background and make money. This is an absolutely amazing softwares. Canva. You can do just, you can need to background removal, and you can need to the background removals, and you can give, there is a various type of the background template are available. You just need to click here, and this is one of the best template. You need to the background, there is a variety type of the background at present. You need to replace this background, just doing delete, delete and delete and delete. You change this background with this. I can see you this I want to replace this background, and it just need to drag, and you can change this background. And if you also clear this transparent this background, and you can see here, so this is an absolutely editing software. So you can need images from this three site and make money with these softwares. Remove background and canva.com, and canva.com. With these two softwares you can need unlimited images and make money unlimited from this three site. So friends, the I can tell you the another, the three website is known as the 5speed.com, fiverr.com and peopleperhour.com. You can take service from this site and remove their background with these two softwares and make money, so much money from these three software. So friends, thank you today in this video. So if you want to earn more money from this online opportunity, because online today's online provide more of job and services from work from home and online training and services, etc. If you want to join is this online marketing and also earn online money without investment, without money, without skill, without experience, you can subscribe my channel Kartick at the TV 7, because I give you daily one video that you can watch. If you watch, you can make money, and you can gain your experience of how the online job are available in this market, and you can get and you can make money from the site, online site, and you can become the financially free. So friend, thank you so much for watching this video. So kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.